Good evening. Here is the Lotto result today, 9 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto, 3D Lotto, 4D Lotto, Mega Lotto 645, and Grand Lotto 655 for August 26, 2026, Wednesday. Here is the 2D Lotto 9 p.m. draw result for August 26, 2026, Wednesday. Here is the 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw result for Wednesday, August 26, 2026. Here is the For the Lotto draw result for August 26, 2026, Wednesday. Here is the Mega Lotto 645 draw result for Wednesday, August 26, 2026. Here is the Grand Lotto 655 draw result for August 26, 2026, Wednesday. See you again tomorrow, August 27, 2026, Thursday, for 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto, and 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto. Here are my tomorrow's jackpot estimates for Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for Thursday, August 27, 2026. Thank you for watching this 9 p.m. video for evening of August 26, 2026, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.